Hello everyone. In this video we will show that what are the different views in Excel. First of all, there are four views available. One is normal view, another one is page layout view, another one is page break view, and last one is backstage view. Okay, so normal view, that is in shown here. It is normally a normal view that is normally opened after that is default opening of a Excel window. By default it is been shown to you. We have already added some data here, and it is a normal view, and these views can be accessed by these three icons directly. That is, the first one is normal view, it is already been selected. Next one is page layout view, and last one is the page break view, page break preview. So if we move on to the page layout, then automatically it will be changed to the page layout view. That means by default a page size, and we have to change the page size for changing this view also. And another option is available there, that is a page break preview. It means all the data we have entered will be shown in a single page, and if we add multiple page, then automatically it will be shown there in some as watermark page 1, page 2, page 3, in this way. Okay, and another option is available there. First of all, we'll move into the normal view, and then we'll show you what is the backstage view. Just click on this file tab and you will get the backstage view. That is, this one is called as the backstage view. That is where the details of that particular file is normally shown, and different options: new, open, save as, print, share, export, publish, close, account options. Different options are available to view. That is normally called as the backstage view. Okay, thank you everyone.